A poem isn't sunsets and words in a row, showing off their style. It's a feeling done with festering under scales of maybes and torment. It's a constant ping in your side, no longer needing to be felt. It's not heads nor tails. There is no middle or halfway. It's all running all at once. The paint from an old canvas left out in the rain. It's the point of letting go completely just before you tap into going insane. A poem is the chance to start again, to find yourself lost, to center whole on this portrait and hang the day on the nail. It is you, yourself, on a quest to be saved. It's a curse